TerpLoc pouches are the only bags developed specifically for curing and storing cannabis, helping you retain product weight, prevent mold, and preserve terpenes while maintaining an ideal 58 to 62% humidity. Whether you choose opaque or windowed pouches for easy monitoring, our bags have a UV protective layer to prevent product degradation and are built to last through multiple harvests. For home and commercial cultivators, our 1 pound and larger bags are a go-to option for optimal curing, without the need to burp containers. Our pouches have a durable multi-track zipper for resealing, but are also designed to be heat sealed for ultimate protection and curing. When you're ready to start the curing process, be sure your flower is dried down to 10 to 12% moisture and is trimmed to your liking. TerpLoc uses your bud's own interior moisture to power the bag's microclimate, so drying properly is a must for success. Gently transfer your dried flower into your TerpLoc pouches. Fill the bag up to 75% full, ideally leaving 25% or more headspace. Do not squeeze the air out of our pouches or compress the flower. The headspace in your pouch is vital for creating the proper curing environment. Instead, just close up the zipper, heat seal if desired, and store in a controlled environment around 60 degrees Fahrenheit and 60% humidity. Whether you're curing and storing quarter pounds, full pounds, or 10 pounds at a time, there's a perfect TerpLoc size for your harvest. This same filling and sealing process also applies to our larger format pouches, like our 5 pound and 10 pound pouches. When using these, be sure to fully unfold the bag and open up the bottom gusset so your pouch can easily stand up for filling. Gently transfer your product that's been dried down to the appropriate 10 to 12% moisture level into your TerpLoc pouch. Be sure not to overfill. Giving your buds some wiggle room helps regulate gas and moisture distribution in the bag. Once you have your bag filled, close up the top, pinch down the zipper, and store your pouch for curing.